It's Thursday, so this is the day I kick off my meal planning for the week ahead. Hi, I'm June Ellen. I wrote the workbook on meal planning, and whether you use my workbook or not, there are a few things that I do every single week, and that's helped me be successful at losing 60 pounds, but also at just staying on budget and staying on plan with whatever I'm doing. So on Thursday, by then I usually know what's going on over the weekend and the week ahead, because you kind of have to know if you're eating out, if you need lunches to go, if you are having company, all those things impact the week ahead and the meal plan. So Thursdays, I take inventory and I start with the refrigerator. Those are the perishables that need to be used up, because the most expensive food is the food you waste. So I take a look and I see what produce I have that needs to be eaten, and as well as deli meat, cheeses, things like that. I don't go crazy with the things in the door. Those pickles and all, they'll keep. But I want to write down the perishables. Then I turn my attention to the freezer. What do I have? Now, right now, I'm well stocked, so I don't have to write down each and everything, but I will jot down a few freezer items that I feel like I want to use in the upcoming week. I like to mix it up, some seafood, some beef, some chicken. You get the idea. I also take into consideration anything I've made ahead that I want to use, such as soups, chilies, all that kind of stuff, because those are things I made in batch to save myself time on a busy day in the week ahead. So if I have a day or two where I have late meetings and so forth, I'm going to put those items on my meal plan so I don't have to cook. Next, I'll take a look in the pantry. These things usually don't need to be used up, but it's good to know what you have. Do I have any tuna fish? Do I have beans? Do I have pasta sauce? That kind of thing. All of that makes meals. Now that I have inventory, I'm really in a better position to make a meal plan because I know what I have. I'm going to start there and build around it. Most likely I'll need some produce to fill in the gaps, and that's going to get my meal plan started. I may work on it on Thursday or Friday, but I just want to get it put together in time to get that grocery shopping done and do some meal prep on the weekend. I hope this has been helpful. I'll continue to share more and more tips on how to put together a meal plan that prevents you from pushing food to the back of the refrigerator that gets thrown away, and keep you on track with whatever goals you have around nutrition. Check out my book on Amazon, A Year of Healthful Eating. This is a workbook, so it helps you design a meal plan following the steps that I use, and that starts with that Thursday inventory. Give me a follow for more meal planning and some great recipes too.